You are the only thing that is in the way of your abundance. And I want to relate this to a practice that most men can do. I want to relate this to the practice of semen retention. I want to relate this to the power that we can gain through semen retention. All right? Because in this way, we are getting rid of ourselves. And by that, I mean we are getting rid of that piece of us that is in the way. The piece of us that's so primal, that wants to be fed. That lustrous side of ourselves. And although that's a good energy, the problem comes when you're giving into that. When you are submitting yourself to it and becoming the servant to that instead of the master. That is where the issue arises for this. So essentially, getting yourself out of the way for your abundance. Move out of your own way.